If you're looking for a stylish and practical addition for your Jeep Gladiator, look no further. The standard rear bumper by Fab Fours is just what you need. This product from Fab Fours is great for the Jeep owner who wants some customization while having the practicality of a standard bumper. If you commonly use your Jeep to tow, the standard rear bumper is just the right bumper for what you need. It retains the factory tow hooks and allows you to keep the OEM tow package. And the standard rear bumper has places to install 2 LED light pods. If protection is your goal, the standard rear bumper has your back. Made with a 3/16" steel construction, this bumper has you covered with durable protection. It is available in a Fab Fours Stage 2 matte black powder coat and epoxy primer or bare steel, weighing in at 70 pounds. Plus, it's made right here in the USA. When cruising off-road or around town, this rear bumper will give your Jeep the ultimate customized look for your ride, with added back-end protection. Installation can be tricky depending on your experience level. The bumper is OE sensor compatible, so there will be some wiring on top of your basic installation. If that is something you are not comfortable with, we recommend finding assistance in installing this bumper. If you're interested in purchasing the standard rear bumper by Fab Fours or looking to have one installed, check out the dealer locator below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.